Hello everybody, this is Grandpa Glenn out here working for your teacher, Miss Curtis. We're going to go look at plants today and look at maybe how they've evolved and look at the different kinds of plants. And as you look around the world, you see it's green in many places. But plants aren't just green things, there's more to it than that. And we're going to get into that. Here's a garden. These are plants right here. See this? This is not a plant. This is an animal. Here, Miss Curtis, right on your feet. These are all plants, aren't they? Let's go look at some more. Come on. We're still looking at plants here. These are plants right here. In fact, these are really good plants. This is rhubarb. That's a plant. Here's more plants. These are called chives, or grass onions. They're really good, too. All plants. Come here, kids. But these are not plants, okay? Follow me, Miss Curtis. We're going to go to the woods for a minute. We're going to look at more than just the parts of plants. We're going to look at how they evolved from the simplest to the most complicated. We all know that plants have stems and leaves, don't they? And I could pull the root up of this plant. You know what a root looks like. And that we have many plants have flowers, but not all. And many plants will have seeds, but not all. Here's some seeds right here. So you join us. We're going to start. We're going to go back into the woods now and start with the simplest plant of all and work our way to the most complicated one of all. Let's go. All plants have three characteristics that we're going to keep in mind here. Number one, they have cell walls using cellulose as their binding structure. Can you say cellulose? Can you say cellulose?
Cellulose.
Good. So we've got cell walls consisting of cellulose. All plants have the ability to photosynthesize. They have chlorophyll. Can you say photosynthesize? Photosynthesize.
Photosynthesize.
Yes. And finally, all plants have cells that are eukaryotic. And if you remember that when you studied cells, if I'm a eukaryote, I have a proper nucleus, don't I, that bundles my DNA. All right? Can you say eukaryote? Can you say eukaryote?
Eukaryote.
Yes, very good. All right. I'm going to go down in a little valley right now and grab, I have a beaker. I'm going to reach into a little puddle here, and pull out some algae, and we're going to talk about it, okay? Okay. I've got the sample we need. We're going to talk about this right now. I'm going to give it a little stir, and we'll give you a close-up look at this later, but on the top are some little plants, but it's suspended in the water is some green algae. Now there's many different kinds of algae, thousands of species, but the green algae is the one we're interested in, that we're considering plant material, or plant-like, or actually a plant. Now you can see the little green algae. This is what makes the lakes green in August. And those aren't individual algae cells you're looking at. Those are little colonies, little balls of algae, okay? And your teacher will get into the specifics of it in class. But this is the plant that is the forerunners to all the rest of the plants we're going to talk about in the next few minutes here. And we're going to see how these other plants improved on algae's plan. Okay? Let's get a little closer look. Instead of a snow globe, it's an algae globe. It's raining algae.